Hi, and welcome to BanishedTinnitus.com. You've landed on the most important video about ringing in the ears, or tinnitus. Give me a few minutes and I'll tell you 4 unusual facts you must understand if you want to stop the ringing in your ears completely. What is tinnitus? And what are the core causes of tinnitus? Tinnitus treatment that can help you to stop the ringing in your ears instantly and permanently without spending hundreds of dollars. So here are the 4 facts that you must understand if you want to stop the ringing in your ears. Fact number 1, more than 90% of the tinnitus sufferers who opt for conventional healing with the use of drugs, surgeries, or habituation benefit themselves with the reduction in the ringing for a short time, but most of the time the issue turns out to be worse than what it was at the initial period. Fact number 2, it is a totally wrong notion that tinnitus can be cured by focusing on and dealing with only one aspect out of all of the aspects that cause this condition. It is usually observed that the people who opt for such approaches fail in curing tinnitus, even when they make use of drugs and undergo surgeries, as they do not consider all of the other reasonable factors of the disease. Fact number 3, the use of drugs or surgeries to cure tinnitus work in a biased way, as they treat the condition on a temporary basis, but they also have various malicious effects. The very few people suffering from tinnitus who have opted for curing this symptom without the use of drugs or surgeries are the only ones who have succeeded in getting rid of ear ringing on a permanent basis. Fact number 4, the concrete instrument that is responsible for the constant ringing in your ears is still unknown, as well as unidentified. Yet it has been proven that this is a genuine symptom that causes a problem with the auditory as well as the neural structure. There are various studies looking for the root cause of the symptom, and optimistic results are hopeful. If you want to stop ear ringing, buzzing, and hissing permanently, you have to understand what tinnitus is and what the core causes of tinnitus are. Tinnitus is not a disease, but a symptom which leads to a bothersome condition for the sufferer. It is because he experiences constant ringing and buzzing sounds in his ears. Later, the symptom turns out to be a very annoying issue, as he's not able to concentrate on any of his tasks. Moreover, unbearable pain is sensed by the sufferer on some occasions. Thus, it is essential that tinnitus is cured as early as possible to liberate the sufferer from his worrisome state. Here are the core causes of tinnitus. Cause number 1, exposure to loud noises. When your ears get exposed to loud noises, there's a possibility that the ear cells may get affected with the noise. When the human ear experiences sound over 80 decibels, then you may be prone to tinnitus. Loud noise is considered one of the pivotal causative factors for tinnitus. This is because they have a direct impact on the ear cells. Cause number 2, another causative factor for tinnitus is stress. High stress levels may lead to many deformities within the body. Due to high stress levels, a person may have a perception of hearing buzzing and ringing sounds, which may not actually be happening in the surrounding. High stress levels do not permit the brain to generate chemicals which aid in the proper body functioning. Due to all these things, tinnitus can be caused. Cause number 3, earwax buildup is one other factor which may cause tinnitus. Earwax is useful for the ear because it works as a shield for the ear, which protects the ear from foreign elements as well as dirt. But an excess of earwax may lead to infection in the ear, and also more of earwax becomes a barrier for sound to pass within the ear. This may cause ringing in the ears. It is essential that you clean up the earwax to avoid this condition. It is vital that you do not underestimate the effects of this condition. You need to find a cure for tinnitus at the earliest to avoid serious issues in the future. Tinnitus is not going to go on its own. Day by day, it's only going to get worse. So finding a real tinnitus cure is a must. I hope you have enjoyed this video so far. Now here's the most important part of the video. Tinnitus treatment that can help you stop the ringing in your ears instantly and permanently without spending hundreds of dollars. Tinnitus is a very undesirable condition which is faced by the sufferer of this symptom. The exact cause of this condition is not known, so determining the exact treatment for ringing in the ears is difficult, and ignorance may even lead to permanent hearing disability. You can opt for surgeries as well as medicine for relief, but the unfortunate part is that they do not offer a permanent relief, and also no guarantee is given regarding the fact that tinnitus will be cured. Alternatively, you can opt for the holistic approaches that are available. These approaches are widely accepted and proven to be highly effective. Holistic approaches include activities like yoga, meditation, and involvement of various herbs, which help to cure the ringing in your ears from the core. The holistic approaches ensure permanent relief from the annoying condition. Around 95% of people have liberated themselves from tinnitus by following the holistic approaches. On the next page, there's a free presentation on holistic tinnitus treatment. In this eye-opening presentation on the next page, you will discover how to implement the 3 most crucial and natural methods to stop tinnitus by treating the basic 3 root causes. What is the precise meaning of tinnitus? There are some unheard facts about your tinnitus condition that I guarantee you do not know, and knowing will help you get rid of the ringing in your ears immediately. A very simple 3-minute test which will help you understand the 3 basic root causes of the ringing in your ears and which is the most affecting factor. Included are the 5 superfoods that provide a complete changeover in your ringing ear problem naturally. These are the most underrated yet very effective superfoods to control your ringing ears in weeks. Click on the following link and grab your holistic treatment presentation now.